Hey, and welcome back YouTube. I'm the Florida Stacker, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I use the OneGold platform to purchase physical precious metals, and I can get those at Apmex best tier pricing through the OneGold platform. So stay tuned. I've got a lot of details on how to do this coming right up. All right, and welcome to this video, which will specifically cover how I use OneGold to fund the cash position of my account, and how I use that to purchase physical precious metals offered by Apmex at Apmex best available price. OneGold is a partnership between Apmex and Sprott, two big names in the precious metals industry. And yes, with a OneGold account, you do receive a few premium options that I'll show you in this video. Again, welcome. I am the Florida Stacker, and I buy physical gold and silver coins as well as bars. I like to hold them as a physical savings account. I believe in the old principle that you should have quick access to your savings account during your time of need. I also believe that stacking gold and silver is the absolute best way to save, as you get to make a purchase while saving. You get to shop for that purchase, and then you can convert your country's fiat currency over into investment-grade bullion, silver, and gold coins, bars, or rounds. You actually look forward to your next purchase, and in a very short while, you'll have saved a lot of money, more than you would if you were shoveling dollars or any other fiat currency into a savings account that is literally losing value at an alarming pace. So here is what your account will look like after logging in and funding the account's cash position, where right now you see I have $423.56 in that position. And looking at the gold, silver, and platinum positions that are there sort of in the middle, you'll see that I do not currently hold any positions in physically backed digital metal. So what is OneGold? Well, straight from the FAQ section of the website, it reads, OneGold is an online platform for digital assets backed by precious metals. We select the best digital assets in terms of liquidity, security, and vault locations, and provide a convenient, easy-to-use platform for your digital metal trading needs. Any product sold on OneGold will be 100% backed by physical metal. So by now, half of you are probably saying, Florida Stacker, you've lost your mind. But before you leave, I'm going to show you how I use the OneGold platform to stack physical metals expediently and at the best price that Apmex offers. I do believe in the principle also that if you don't hold it, you don't own it. And I do use gold and silver as a savings account. I also invest in the stock market and in the cryptocurrency space because I am actually trying to earn additional fiat currency, some of which I do convert over to my savings account. Before you go, let's answer the question of how can I be sure that my holdings are 100% backed by physical metals, because that's very important if you're going to be purchasing and holding any of the digital assets that OneGold offers. So OneGold will only settle any digital asset transactions which are backed by 100% physical metal. If the physical metal is not available, we will not be able to offer the product from our buy page. So occasionally, I've been a member now for about a year, you will see that some of the metals are just not available to buy. And that is because OneGold cannot verify that those actual hard assets are there for them to be able to sell to you. Canadian gold and Canadian silver are held at the Royal Canadian Mint, or RCM. All precious metals stored within the RCM's network of vaults are guaranteed ounce for ounce by the Royal Canadian Mint, a crown corporation wholly owned by the Government of Canada. US products, UK products, and Switzerland products are guaranteed by OneGold. Metal positions are independently verified twice a year by one of the top 10 providers of audit, tax, and consulting services. OneGold performs a daily reconciliation of the balances between the physical metal at storage and actual balance in the OneGold account. On Switzerland products, OneGold receives a Loomis International inventory list identifying the specifics of each bar owned by OneGold and its customers, including bar refinery, bar number, bar weight, and bar fineness. All your stored precious metals are fully owned by you, and you maintain full legal ownership and title of your physical metal. All right, so OneGold has an entire FAQ section which will answer practically any of the many questions that you all may have. But as a reminder, this is not a paid promotion by OneGold or Apmex. I like using the OneGold platform as I see it as a pure hybrid play option, another tool in my tool belt to maintain and build my wealth. Now, I'm going to show you how I specifically use the OneGold platform to purchase physical precious metals, metals I can hold. For more information on how to invest in the digitally backed assets, please see the FAQ section, which I have conveniently hyperlinked for you down below in the video description section. Okay, so at the top of the screen, at the main login page, you will see 5 options to choose from. They are buy, which will enable you to buy any of the physically backed digital precious metals at spot price plus a premium. There is also the option to sell any of your physically backed digital precious metals that you may already hold. In the middle is the option to fund your account's cash position. That's important, and we'll be coming back to that in just a minute. Next, to fund is withdraw, and to withdraw any funds from accounts, the account's cash position, back to your linked bank account. And finally, on the far right at the top, you'll see redeem, which is the option we are going to start with today. Okay, so we have $423.56 in our cash position, and here we are at the redeem page. On the redeem page at the top, you'll be given a brief explanation as to how the redemption process works, which I'll read to you now. All OneGold orders for online redemption are fulfilled by Apmex via white label drop shipping. As a OneGold customer, you always receive best tier pricing from Apmex, and your order will be shipped this same or next business day. If you would like to purchase products other than what you see here, please call 800-492-9144 from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Friday. I believe that's going to be Central Time. They're based in Oklahoma City. Well, today is Saturday, so I will be constrained to redeeming only for items that are readily listed as redemption options through OneGold. One of the big benefits is that Apmex has probably the largest variety of different bullion products, as well as collector products. You can get collector coins, slab coins, even storage options, safes. You can buy a lot of stuff through Apmex. So you can actually call that 1-800 number Monday through Friday, and they'll add that item there. These are going to be your highly sought after bullion items that you see, however, on the main OneGold redemption page. Items like gold and silver American Eagles, Canadian Maple Leafs, Britannias, etc. High volume items that are in high demand. Okay, so now we have to talk about the 2 criteria your account must meet in order to use this option through OneGold, that is the redemption option. If you are looking for a specific item to purchase, simply visit the Apmex website and find the product ID number, which I have highlighted in blue for this 2019 silver kookaburra, and call that 1-800 number that I just mentioned. You'll speak to a OneGold representative who will add that particular product as an item to redeem through your OneGold account. It'll just show up for a couple of minutes. You'll be able to add it to your cart, go through the redemption process, which I'm going to show you here in just a minute. And usually they will say that they will take that particular item back off the OneGold redemption website after they see your order has come through. And they do this to keep the redemption options from cluttering up the page if you're going to be, getting one of this, one of that, etc. Okay, so now we have to cover those 2 important criteria your account must meet in order to use this option through OneGold. Please note that accounts must meet the following criteria to be eligible. Your account must be verified, okay? You can do this after joining OneGold and linking a bank account, linking an email address and a bank account. You can start the verification process. I believe I did take a picture of my passport. I converted that over to, a GIF or JPEG, I'm not quite sure. And then I attach that. You'll be able to do that in the options section once you join OneGold. You can verify your account by uploading your driver's license or a passport in your account settings. And 2, funds being used for a redeem order, that is, if you want actual physical precious metals, which is how I use OneGold, that originated from your bank's ACH, your credit card, or your PayPal account must have been in your account for at least 60 days. Okay, so what this means is that in order to use the redeem option, your funds must be in your cash position or invested in one of the physically backed digital currencies OneGold offers for at least 60 days, okay? I don't mean currencies there, I mean metals. If you fund with an ACH transaction from your bank account or use a credit card or PayPal, OneGold has this restriction in place to prevent fraud. They do not want stolen credit cards to be used to fund the account and then immediately redeem for metals to unverified addresses, etc. This is to cut down on money laundering and fraud. Another important fact, if you fund your account with a credit card, ACH transaction, or PayPal, and then you invest that in any of the physically backed digital metals, and then decide to withdraw those funds from OneGold within 60 days of that deposit, those funds have to go back to the original source of the deposit. What I mean by this is you cannot say, use your Visa card today to fund the cash position and then tomorrow withdraw those funds to your linked bank account. No, they have to go back to your credit card, to PayPal, or to your bank account if it is within 60 days. Okay, so I recommend that you start that verification process immediately after joining OneGold. That'll get the clock ticking, right? And if you have any issues, any trouble at all getting verified, please keep that 60 days in mind. And it can happen a little earlier, I think, in some cases, but just go ahead and set 60 as the threshold. But if you do have problems and it goes past 60 days, please leave a comment here in this video. I'm happy to reach out to any of the executives at OneGold, which I do have email addresses to, and I can inquire on your behalf if you're not getting any help through the traditional means of contacting customer support or customer service. Okay, so the coin that we are interested in today is the 1/4 ounce American Gold Eagle. That is on the right side, currently listed for pre-sale, available March 12th. Actually, that's the right side of the coins that you see here. So there are 3 coins that you see: the 2021 1 ounce American Silver Eagle, the 2021 Great Britain 1 ounce Gold Britannia BU, and then the last one is that 2021 1/4 ounce American Gold Eagle. There are many more options if I continue to scroll down, but that 1/4 ounce gold coin is the one that I want. A little more than I want to pay for a 1 ounce, or actually a 1/4 ounce gold coin, but I do not currently have a 2021 Type 1 gold 1/4 ounce American Eagle. And for the purposes of this video tutorial, this is the coin that we will be buying today, and this will be my 1/4 ounce gold purchase for the month of March. So here we are on the Apmex website because I want to point out the very important benefit of OneGold. And we are looking at this exact 1/4 ounce 2021 American Gold Eagle. And you can see the price to purchase only one of these coins directly from Apmex using your bank account is $537.33. However, if you were to buy 120 plus of these coins, you'd qualify for the price of $534.13, which is the best tier price that I have mentioned. And that is the price that you get through OneGold for only buying one of these coins. That, my friends, is one of the advantages for my physical stackers. Maybe you are thinking, okay, Florida Stacker, it's only $3.20 cheaper. Well, true, but the spreads are much more obvious when buying more than one coin and also when buying silver, as we know, which has the higher premium. Looking at the 2021 American Silver Eagle here, this is on the Apmex website once more. These prices are all valid on March 6, 2021. It is the weekend, so the markets are closed. You can see that the price for only one of these ASEs using your bank account is currently $39.44, and you need to buy 1,500 plus of them, or 3 full monster boxes of 2021 American Silver Eagles to get the best price Apmex offers, which is $37.44. But back on OneGold, you see that $37.44 price is offered for as little as one coin, which once more is where, in my opinion, the OneGold platform really shines. That and the lightning quick shipping. Okay, so we know we have $423.56 in our cash position, and we need $534.13 to purchase the 1/4 ounce gold American Eagle. Doing some quick math, that means I am currently at $110.57 short in my cash position to redeem for this coin. So let's move over to the funding tab again to get all settled up. Okay, so I've been a member of OneGold now, as mentioned, for about a year, and my account is verified, and I've been redeeming metals through OneGold now for that time. There are several funding options accepted by OneGold, and you can see those options off to the left of the screen. Please do keep in mind that the PayPal and credit card options do incur a fee of 3.99% of the deposit balance. So make sure that you compare that fee to the price you would pay on the regular Apmex website if you were to use your credit card. I think you will find that the nearly 4% fee is still the better option, and you will also get that quick shipping. However, I stick to my budget, and I will be using my bank account. Once more, we know we are short $110.57 in our cash position, and that is the minimum amount we need to fund this account to make this purchase. So I entered the amount and now I will hit continue. All right, so now you come to the confirm deposit page and you'll see there are 0 transaction or service fees with the bank account option. Essentially, this incurs no cost to move your funds over from your bank account to your OneGold cash position. As this is the option I want to pursue, I'm going to go ahead and hit confirm deposit. So back at the Redeem tab, I did add one of the 2021 quarter ounce American Gold Eagles to my cart and selected my cash balance as the payment method. You can see that my cost once more is $534.13. All right. And my account balance is now also $534.13 in order to cover this purchase. Important to note is that you can liquidate any of your physically backed digital assets to redeem for physical gold, silver, or platinum, but I do not recommend this. The reason that I do not recommend that you do this is the premiums. If you intend to use your OneGold account to purchase physical metals through Apmex at their best tier pricing as I do, just fund the cash position, which incurs 0 fees or premiums. If you do buy any of the physically backed digital metals, you will pay a premium to hold them. You will also be charged a small premium to sell them or liquidate them in order to redeem for the physical metals from Apmex. I just don't see the point in paying 3 premiums to purchase physical metals, guys and girls. Stick to just funding the cash position if you intend to use OneGold this way. Okay, so I selected continue to check out, and now I would confirm my decision to purchase, which will initiate the buy and also bring my account balance with OneGold back down to 0. There you go. The transaction was successful, and now we can return to the main account screen with OneGold. Soon, I'll receive an email from OneGold stating that my purchase has been initiated, and also within a few days, I'll receive another email with tracking information for my shipment. As a reminder, purchases made through OneGold receive priority shipment, so it also bumps your purchase up ahead of those making purchases on the regular Apmex website. This is also a nice advantage. All right, so here we are back at the main account page, and you can see I now have a 0 balance. There is a transaction record that is down below to keep track of all of your purchases, your sales, funding, withdrawals, and redemptions. Once more, for those looking to expand their exposure in precious metals, OneGold is a nice option for that. You can buy 3 metals currently and have them stored in different vaults of your choosing. It's a nice hybrid option to invest in digital assets as well as get more favorable pricing from Apmex from their entire product catalog if you follow this tutorial and use that cash position. I've even ordered storage supplies through OneGold to avoid paying the $9.99 shipping fee I would have to pay to buy an empty monster box or empty mint tubes from the regular Apmex website. You know, these are smaller purchases under $99, and you can actually use your OneGold account to do that, and you won't have to pay shipping. All right, so I hope that you found this tutorial video useful, and if you do decide to try OneGold, please consider using my referral link, which will be posted in the video description section. By signing up with my link, you will receive a $5 new account bonus in your cash position once the account is created. And then once you do complete a purchase of $100 or more, you will receive another $5 for a total $10 bonus. Full disclosure, my friends, to all of you that do sign up for a OneGold account using my referral link, I will also receive a $5 deposit to my cash position at OneGold only after you have completed a purchase of 100 or more. Simply signing up does nothing for me, but I'm happy that you found this video useful, and I really do think that you can take advantage of OneGold and use it to, further broaden your exposure to the precious metals market. Thank you again, everybody. I do thank you for considering using this code and for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, once more, check out the FAQ section, which is also posted in the video description section. That'll take you directly to the OneGold website where you can look at, the different fee structures, payment methods, storage options, et cetera, et cetera. Basically, anything you want to know about OneGold will be there, so you can go ahead and hit that hyperlink in the video description section and check that out. Thanks again, all. Really appreciate it, and we'll be back soon with another precious metals focused stacking video. This is the Florida Stacker. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.